here. This is the place we've stayed for the night. Okay, it's kind of dark. Let me see. Here you go. Okay, starting today. Today's 21st of June. I'm gonna start using the RX 100 for vlogging because I can see my face now. So I'm gonna put the A6500 on it for a rest today only. If it goes out good for this camera all throughout the trip, I'll be using this camera for vlogging all throughout the trip. Because yeah, my initial plan was using the RX 100 for my vlogging on trips, but I just hate the audio. But let's see if we can sacrifice audio and get a small camera for vlogging on a trip. By the way, there's a freaking green car again. Yeah, it's a nice place to stay here. See that? And yeah, whenever, if it's on a good day, you can just put your computer there, put your food there, to eat your breakfast there or lunch, and then you can see all the wallabies coming up here and all the creatures at night. Also, there are fruit there for the birds to eat. I don't know if you can see, but it's somewhere there. So you can just stay here, just wait for the bird to come down and then observe them. That's it. This is an eco lodge. They're very particular about stuff you use, like the water, garbage, and everything. It's really awesome. Anyway, I need to finish packing because we'll be leaving in a few. Yeah. Here there's no internet signals, so we're trying to get online to plan the next adventure or the next thing we're gonna do today. So yeah, the place was so good. We stayed at Arley Eco Cabins. The place was so good, it was so homey, and the bed's so comfortable. Everything's perfect, and it's not expensive. Also, we got a free champagne or wine. Well, I think that was wine, but we didn't drink it because we were tired, and you might as well leave it there for the next ones because we don't want to waste anything. Yeah, so still far from the Gold Coast, but yeah, we have to plan our trip because we're losing days. We have only a few days to get there, and yeah, that's it. Good. Awesome. She was hungry. She said she's not hungry, but now you want to.
Nothing.
She wants to eat, and I have a feeling you want to eat also. That's why I'm packing things properly on when we're heading out. But yeah. Sorry, music's so noisy. Said private mangoes, no picking. Yes. We're approaching Finch, Hatton, Gorge. Look at the countryside. We're crossing this wet thingy. Wow. Sheep. Nice. Cool. That's my dream camper. Dream camper. It's 4-wheel drive. Over the gorge. Walking. Quite. Spray the cast now. Hatton Gorge. That's the waterfall, and we're heading down to just hang out there in the rocks. It's kind of dark now. Yep. We're at the gorge right now, and the water is so nice. There's the waterfall. There's Laura. Well, at the Finch Hatton Gorge, just chilling by the waterfall. And yeah, clear water. Look at that. Reminds us of Mas clearness kasi sigpit daw. Nice water for swimming. I reckon I can't see any dangerous creatures here, so it should be good. You know? Yeah. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, it's so nice here. That's the one falls here. Hatton Gorge. Yeah, got the name like that. Okay. Heading out of the Finch Hatton Gorge and up to the next location now. And yeah, waterfall, rainforest walk, and a few plants around. It's pretty cool in here, unlike when you're out there, which is a bit warm, but it's good. It's a nice place for a walk. Yeah. So over there. Sige yo. Sinina. Alam mo sa dito mong sinina. So sa to na ni eh. Bataan ni sige yo dia. Sa mo kadiya tagaan ta kag lata amang garon. Asa? Ato sa dintri. Balikon pa mo kung hatag sa ko? Oh, balikon ta to. Lata amangga. Balika? Lata amangga. I think that's frozen. Wilderness is just make you relax. I'm sorry for the jittery video. I'm walking and I'm just too lazy now. But yeah, we're heading back to the car, and then we'll be heading to Rockhampton, or we may go some places like we might check out some beach on the way. So, oh yeah, we're not staying at Rockhampton for the night. We're staying at Blackwater, which is inner, because we'll be on one of the parks there for tomorrow morning. So yeah, that's it. Simple trip today. Not much beach, just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yeah, that's it. Never crossed is just this small water. That was scary. Yeah. Scary pass here. That is scary, man. Because I'm gonna turn down the ISO. So this one is scary crossing up here. We need a four-wheel drive. No, just a four-wheel vehicle to pass by here. And look at how serene the water is. We're floating water! We're floating water! Ah, yeah! Yeah, I gotta shut up, you know. Didn't get there's a car behind us. I gotta hurry up. Water! We're gonna clean the car now. We're gonna clean the car now. Para mo splash. Awesome.